Hey guys! In today's video, I'll be reviewing the top 10 best derma roller. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to rank them based on their quality, durability, customer reviews, and more. If you want to know about the best pricing and more information, you can check the description links below. Number 10 in my list is HealthyCare 540 Micro Needles Derma Roller. One of the derma roller best companies that we found is HealthyCare, and their microneedle derma rollers are quite amazing too. They provide 540 microneedles on their derma roller, which are 0.25 millimeter long and made out of high-quality titanium. The design is good with black-colored handle and curved shape. Moreover, as this derma roller contains small needles, it can be used 5 days a week for the best results. As the needles of this derma roller are made out of non-allergenic medical-grade material, there is nothing to worry about allergic reactions to. This strong and effective microneedle derma roller provides better absorption of serum into the skin, and hence you can see your scars and hyperpigmentation fading rapidly. Buy this derma roller. Number 9 in my list is Foligain Derma Roller for Hair. This derma roller is designed to support your hair and scalp. It features ultra-fine 540 titanium needles that painlessly penetrate the skin's upper surface to promote hair growth. The company claims that it helps remove product buildup on the scalp, leaving it healthier and rejuvenated. Customers gave positive feedback on the device's ease of use, reasonable price, and efficacy. The 0.25 millimeter needles glide smoothly on the scalp without any squeakiness at all. It is also relatively painless, making it suitable for beginners and home use. Several reviewers said it effectively promotes hair growth on areas with bald patches, but added that continuous use is required to achieve this. They also recommended using a hair growth product for better results. A few customers wished it came with an exclusive needle cleaner, because scalp buildup tends to get stuck between the needles, which is difficult to remove. Number 8 in my list is Lolysenta Derma Roller. Lolysenta's derma roller features 0.25 millimeter titanium needles, as recommended by dermatologists. It has an easy-to-grip handle for a comfier rolling experience. It comes with a transparent storage case and simple instructions as well. Despite its budget-friendly price tag, this derma roller is durable and produces visible results. Customers were surprised by its performance, adding that it helps with scarring and textural issues with continued use. It also helps make the skin more plump and soft by encouraging collagen production. Some reviewers said that the device squeaks when rolled on the skin, but added that it's not really a deal breaker. Number 7 in my list is Priotone Needle Derma Roller. The Priotone Derma Roller for face and body features high-quality 0.25 millimeters needles made of 540 titanium, a material used in implants and surgeries. It has an ergonomic handle that is non-slip and easy to grip. Apart from a storage case, the roller comes with a 30-day, 100% money-back guarantee. According to reviews, this derma roller is easy to use, lightweight, and durable. The titanium needles roll smoothly on the skin's surface, creating small punctures to promote collagen production. It helps stimulate skin rejuvenation and hair growth as well. Some reviewers said they didn't see any noticeable results after months of using the device, but this seems to be an isolated issue. Number 6 in my list is Linduray Skincare Derma Roller. For another great, affordable pick that comes with a few extras, there's the Linduray Skincare Derma Roller Micro Needling Kit. Boasting in hundreds of rave reviews, this derma roller uses 0.3 millimeter needles to gently exfoliate and encourage your skin to heal itself. The kit comes with a storage case for your derma roller, plus the brand's own serum, which was developed to be used after micro-needling. The serum is made with 20% hyaluronic acid to plump and hydrate skin, as well as vitamins C and E, jojoba oil, and glycerin. The kit even comes with access to 3 ebooks that explain exactly how to use the derma roller if you're just getting started. Number 5 in my list is Prosper Derma Roller. This 6-piece set comes with 1 derma roller, 1 holder, and 4 replacement heads made up of 25 millimeter microneedles. Reviewers say it's super effective for treating a variety of skin concerns, including large pores, hyperpigmentation, dark spots, and wrinkles. Many also noted it made their skin appear smoother and brighter. But the best part is that the affordable kit comes with 4 replacement heads, which are typically sold separately. This will save you money and ensure the rollers are completely sanitary, which both stress is of the utmost importance when it comes to derma rollers. Number 4 in my list is Sdara Skincare Derma Roller. Based on our rigorous research, this derma roller is widely believed to be the best option for treating acne scars, even deeply indented dark marks left by cystic acne. The device is made with titanium needles, which recommends over stainless steel needles because they're stronger and, in turn, more effective. Hundreds of reviewers raved over how well it works, even on sensitive skin, and called out its affordable price point, proving you don't always need to spend the big bucks on skincare tools to see noticeable results. Number 3 in my list is BeautyBio Derma Roller. An amazing gift for yourself or a friend. This kit is a good reminder to take time for yourself, even if it's only a few minutes. It boasts a micro-needling tool that also uses LED red light therapy and microcurrents to stimulate cellular turnover and increase results. Plus, the brand actually claims that it amplifies absorption of your products 200 times for smoother, firmer skin. Not only does it come with a tool, but the kit also includes skincare products you need for before and after your treatment, such as a cleanser, clarifying prep pads, anti-aging serum with retinol and peptides, and a vitamin C moisturizer. This is probably one of the best tools I have purchased for my skin, noted a fan. I have done micro-needling before, but this is the best tool I have ever used. I notice immediate results the next morning, if used with the proper skincare. The next morning when I wake up, my eyes are less puffy and my forehead wrinkles are significantly less. Overall, very happy with this purchase and I highly recommend it. Number 2 in my list is Stacked Skincare Derma Roller. This is arguably one of the choicest looking micro-needling tools outside of a med spa with its silver and white design. The wider metal handle allows you to control the pressure, while the replaceable roller heads ensure you swap them out monthly as you're supposed to. It helps to even texture, fades dark spots, and promotes younger-looking skin. It's earned 8,000 loves on Sephora's site and more than 100 perfect reviews, with shoppers confirming its effects. I had a fine line in my forehead and a scar from an accident many years ago. The line is gone, and the scar is becoming less noticeable. The marionette lines around my mouth are softer, and I had a small line by my lips that is barely visible. Number 1 in my list is YaFex 6-in-1 Derma Roller. For those who go 0 to 100 on a trend, this 6-piece Amazon Derma Roller set includes 5 different heads to treat the face, neck, scalp, and body, as well as a convenient storage case with a disinfecting base. The titanium needle rollers are short, meaning they're non-invasive to your skin and safe to use at home. While it can help set the stage for your skincare products, one user claimed that they even saw improvement in the appearance of cellulite in their thighs after using the set's derma roller body head. While cellulite is totally normal, here is one way to treat it, if you choose to. The set has earned an average rating of 4.4 and more than 2,200 glowing reviews can tell you all you need to know. I love all the different sizes of this kit. There are so many areas on the face that need smaller heads, as well as larger areas that need larger heads. With that, this product fits the task so well. I really like the sanitizer tub so I can clean my heads before and after use. Also, I really like the silicone scrub head to clean my skin deeply before my dermal procedure, and then to apply serums and moisturizers afterwards. Alright guys, this was our today's video. If you find this video helpful for you, then like the video, and if you come to our channel first time, then hit the subscribe button for our amazing upcoming videos. Be sure to check out the links in the description for the updated price of all products discussed in this video. Hope you have a great day and see you soon in the next video.